Stop being scared of the word manager, okay? It does not hold the same weight as a blue collar job when it comes to e-commerce, programming, right? Anything that has to do with the web. So let's get into it. Hey guys, it's your boy Joe back at it again, CodingPhase.com. Your boy is back and I done did it again one more time. So today I'm actually here, going through the different jobs that's being listed online, and I'm trying to help my students find some new jobs and opportunities. And as I'm finding opportunities for these new students here on codingphase.com, I'm realizing something, right? That a lot of people is going to be scared to apply to certain positions that mention the word of manager because they don't understand the context of it. Okay? So when you work a blue collar job, let's say retail or maybe in a warehouse, usually the quote unquote manager, it's somebody who's been doing it for years, okay? Or somebody who is in charge of everything. But when it comes to web development, right, and e-commerce, the word manager just means that you're managing the content, you're managing the emails, you're managing the assets, the landing pages, the pages that you're going to be building as a developer, etc. Right? And I know a lot of times people get scared of this positions because they have the keyword manager, but you have to understand the context of it. And I want you guys to see this here in action, right? So again, I'm over here actually looking for job opportunities for the students, right? I'm searching through Klaviyo, right? I'm searching through Shopify, and a whole bunch of other keywords. In positions like this one, at Brixton, this is a company in California, right? Pops up, right? And if we look into it, right, we could say, okay, someone searching for a job, especially a junior developer, somebody trying to get into their first job into tech, they might see this and be like, CRM manager, what the hell is that, right? It's out of my range. I can't apply to it. But if you go into the description of it, you will see that basically what you're going to be doing is what we call a content manager or content editor or web producer role. Okay. Again, if you look over here, refine email, SMS flows, right? Analytics and decision making, right? Conversions, right? This is all the stuff that we cover inside of the email developer section of the Tech Accelerator as a Diamond member, right? So again, if you're a Diamond member on codingphase.com, you get access to all of this, and we teach you how to do it, right? Again, you look over here, what some of the things that they're looking for, right? They're actually using Shopify. Once you learn how to use Shopify, you pretty much can use any type of other e-commerce system that's out there. So if you have experience with Shopify, you can apply to also go in and learn some of the things that come with Amazon and other CMS systems that come with retail, right? Google Analytics, Google Workspace, right? Slack, Asana, right? This is just things that are good to have, right? But if you look over here, some of the things that's in here in this description, this is all basically telling you that you're going to be doing content management for this company. Okay. E-commerce, right? Sometimes you might see this where it mentions, hey, we're looking for somebody 3 years required. Trust me, this type of positions, people get it with no experience at all the time. What they really care about is that you understand what e-commerce is, that you understand how to use the CMS systems, that you understand how to actually bring value to a company, right? And understand the tools and the things that we taught you at codingphase.com. Okay, now this position is going for $80,000 to $100,000, right? You also have thing over here like CIA Wheel Group, Content Manager, $75,000 to $85,000 a year. Okay, create, edit, curate high quality, engaging content for various platforms, websites, blogs, social media, email campaigns. Okay, manage HubSpot platform. Ensure all the content is optimized for SEO, right? This is all the basic stuff that you do as a content editor, okay? Again, you're gonna go in here, of course, every company is gonna mention these things, right? This is just like a wish list, guys. Not everyone has a degree. Not everyone even knows how to do any of these things. And this is the actual, what we would call the leg above everyone else that you have as a developer, someone who actually knows how to code, someone who actually knows how to use these tools. And you have this leg above everybody else because most people show up with just a bachelor's degree and an English major. They'll be like, well, I know English, I know how to write. Let me see if I could get this job. They apply to all of these positions. If you look into CRM roles or content manager or even email marketing specialist, things like that, right? Things that I recommend for you guys to get as your first job. If you go into things like LinkedIn, you can actually do a quick search and you're going to notice a lot of these people have no technical background. The ones that work at most of these companies, they just basically have a degree, right? And just an English major or a journalism major, right? So again, when you actually have the technical background and you notice tools, you have a leg above those people. Even though they have a degree, right? At the end of the day, you have a leg above them because you actually know what the job consists of. Most of these people that's trying to apply to these jobs, they're gonna have to get trained completely from scratch. They don't know HTML, CSS. They don't know what a form is. They don't know how to use most of these tools that you have like WordPress, Shopify, HubSpot, Contentful. Like they don't know any of these things. So they have to train them. For you, that's your advantage. You might not have a degree, but guess what? You actually know the job, okay? And you know the tools. So with this being said, right, I just wanted to show you guys this type of positions that pop up, right, randomly, and you'll be like, well, manager, e-commerce, can I really do this? Look into the actual job description, okay? Look into the job description, and you're gonna see, holy shoot, I got about 75% of the things that they mention in here, okay? So yes, you qualify for these positions. Now, again, I always gonna mention this to you guys. Do not get scared of the 3+ years of e-commerce and this, and that. Guys, most of the people that work in this industries, right, they don't have experience either. Okay. So again, this is stuff that you're gonna learn on the job, but the advantage that you have is that you actually have all of the technical background, all of the stuff that they're mentioning here, as far as the e-commerce, the tools that they're gonna be using. You learn all of that at CodingPhase.com, right? This is how we're able to get new people into this tech industry and get them started with this type of positions. The average developer usually making around 67,000, right? One thing that I've noticed is that in the last, past 2 years, most of the students that have came through CodingPhase, they're getting 75 and 80. What's the difference, right? What makes them special? And it's actually knowing everything that the job consists of. It's not just I know how to code. It's like, hey, I know how to code and all of the tools and the processes around this whole job position that you're putting out here. So I wanted to go in and create this quick video. I'm not even going to edit it. I'm just going to leave it just like how it is. I want you guys to go in and really apply to positions like this. Search online, right? E-commerce, search content management, search CRM Manager, right? There's a whole bunch of jobs that's out there that you guys can get with the skills that you have, and you're leaving it on the table. Forget about getting a position that says front-end developer, WordPress developer, PHP developer, Laravel developer. Forget about that. What you need to care about is that you get a job. You put money in your pocket, that you're actually working in this companies. You're building your resume, right? The dream job that you want, you're going to get it, right? But guess what? Let's make some money. Right? You know how many people is out here with a whole bunch of skills in this positions like this that they could do it with their eyes closed, and they're looking around like, man, I got a year and a half, I can't find a job. It's like, bro, there's a job right there that you could do with your eyes closed, right? This is not technical stuff. You don't have to go in, build single page app, right? Have to do some algorithms on the interview, and this is very simple. Okay. So with that being said, guys, go ahead and get your bag And yeah, man. By the way, guys, anybody that's watching this, if you're interested in this type of job opportunities and learning the skills for it, guys, there's no better place than CodingPhase.com, right? What we focus on CodingPhase is helping you land your first position, right? So getting you into the game, okay? We're not one of those companies that's just like, hey, we're gonna teach you just how to code. No, we want you to get a job. We want you to start making money, okay? And this is why we focus on helping you on your first few jobs coming in from content editor, email developer, right? Front end developer, PHP developer, React developer, Shopify theme developer, right? There's a lot of opportunities out here and a lot of companies, as you can see, that are hiring our students. So I would suggest, you know what? Come in, get your feet wet, right? Get into the industry, right? And start getting that bag, okay? CodingPhase.com, you could just come in, become a diamond member, and it gives you access to every single course on CodingPhase, including the Tech Accelerator program, which basically holds your hand through the whole process, right? On top of that, you get 2 hours with me every single Mondays, right? You also have 2 hours with Karen on Wednesdays of tech support if you need the extra help. So definitely go ahead and check it out, right? You're getting basically $10,000 worth of value, okay? Right now, you could get 20% off on the Diamond membership when you use the link in the description, right? Sorry, can't talk. I'm over here recording a bunch of videos. But basically, what I wanted to say to you guys is like, hey, man, take advantage of those opportunities that's there. Get your bag, right? And if you don't know how to do these things, come to codingphase.com. I got you. I'm going to teach you everything that you need to be able to get into this type of roles. So again, guys, I'm going to see you guys later. It's your boy Joe back at it again, codingphase.com. Peace.